Alright guys, so now we're going to go over reflexive verbs. Okay, so you have the word bañarse. The se part of it makes it reflexive. So you have to remember that. Bañar ends in AR and then add the reflexive. That's letting you know that it's reflexive. So you have the pronouns, which are me, te, se, no, se. So if I'm trying to say that I bathe, I would say me, which is that se part right here, me, and then you conjugate to baño. The conjugations for AR verbs are o, as, a, amos, an. ER verbs o, es, hemos, en. And then IR verbs o, es, hemos, en. So these are the good old conjugation. These are the good old conjugations that we know, right? So you have bañarse. If I'm trying to say you shower, I would say you shower yourself. Does that make sense? So bañas is being conjugated to the as that is right here, and te is being used because it's a reflexive pronoun. So what does it mean? It means that whatever the action is, when it has a se, it's reflexive. So it means that you're doing it to yourself. So for example, think of it like a mirror. It's reflecting what you're doing to yourself. So if you have a word like cepillar, cepillarse, that se makes it reflexive. AR is the normal ending. So if I say Juana y yo nos, here is the nos, and is the pronoun. Nos cepillamos los dientes. Okay, amos is the ending that goes from here. So another way to look at it is if you have two clauses. So I can say me despierto y me levanto a las 6 a.m. So this is I wake up, and I get up at 6 a.m. So why is it that both of these are conjugated? Well, that's because technically this is one clause, and then this is another clause. A clause is like it could be a sentence on its own. So because it's two different clauses, each clause deserves or needs a conjugated verb. If I have one clause that says tengo que, that means I have to bañar me en la mañana. Tengo que means I have to. So this tengo is already conjugated to I have to. So then bañar stays in the AR form. I'm still adding my reflexive pronoun, telling you that I'm doing the action. And then this is just added information. So let's try a different one. Let's try vestir. If I'm trying to say I get dressed in the morning, it would be yo, and then my reflexive pronoun would be me because I'm doing the action to myself, me, and ir goes up here. I'm trying to go to the yo form. Yo me visto en mi cuarto. That means I get dressed in my room. Visto is conjugated. Me is the reflexive pronoun. Does this make sense? So now, if you have any more questions or anything like that, please just let me know and email me with any questions, and I'll be happy to answer them as best as I can. Okay, thank you. Bye.